Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Maxie Makes box. And she sent out an email ahead of time before the box came. So we had an idea what was in the box. Let's see if I can get it open here and okay. They look like this. Oops, some things are falling out. Looks like that when it comes. Let's open it up, and it is going to be teaching paper piecing. So there is a spool of thread from Gutermann. Looks like it's a light, not a real light gray, but a gray. And then we get a card. It tells us what's inside our box and what we're going to learn. It gives us our password so that we can go on the website as a member and watch a video on how to do this. This is what the product looks like when it's finished. Put it up here. And we got some organic green tea. Here is 2.5 inch strip right there. And then I don't know if it tells what size they are, but probably not. Let me just hold them up here. There's another strip. This is really, really pretty. And then the next strip goes with that color. Let me flip it over here. This has got more detail on that side there. Is it upside? Nope, it's not upside down. There you go. And then a light cream or dark cream, whatever your preference. And then the first strip, this is cut bigger, but it's the same as the first strip that I showed you, the 2.5 inch. And then here is a darker, probably a mauve color. And here's a real pretty green. It's not actual green like grass green or anything like that. It's sort of a greenish, I guess, kind of a little bit of aqua in it. And then this is kind of cute. Brown with, looks like pears. And then, let's see. This has got writing on it, so let me hold it so that you can see the writing. It's about that size right there. And then the templates are split up. So part of the templates, it's 4 copies because this is the block like that. So I got 4 of those in here. And then on the paper piecing, there's 10 of them. And this actually is the same foundation paper that I use, which is Carol Dorks. I think it's Dorks. I'm not sure. And then, let's see, what else do we have here? Pick those up. And here's a little mat, a little rotary cutting mat. I've never even seen them that small before. That's cute. Oh, and then we have a add a quarter, which is really nice. That's a ruler. And that looks like that is everything in the box. I know that I cannot show you exactly how to make it, but I will show you the product when I am finished and as I've laid it out. Okay? Thank you for watching. Appreciate it. Take care. Bye-bye. I came back on because after I totally got off the video and finished it, I wanted to let you know that I have done paper piecing. I'm going to call it the old-fashioned way. I don't know. The first time, the way that I learned how to make it. And I have always felt that it was difficult. Let me show you what I made. This is what I've made. I haven't finished it yet. But I got in my drawer, and this is what made me think about it, is that when she gave us this little ruler here, which what you do is after you have your seam, like this is your fabric here, and you've sewn it, and you got the 2 pieces together, this would be your excess fabric, and then this is your fabric where you sewed. You take this and you put it up against it, and that's a 1/4 inch between the seam, and then you cut all this excess off, and it automatically gives you your 1/4 inch down your fabric. Well, I do in fact have a ruler. Now mine is longer, same thing, it's a 1/4 inch, and I just recently purchased an 1/8 of an inch ruler. And then when I got in my drawer, because I put these up after I had made this tree, I realized that I had actually bought it's called Add a Quarter Plus, so it's a lot wider. And let me pick up this one here to give you an idea. I'm going to put the pink one up against it. So if you put them together, it's a little bit longer. And since I didn't realize it, but I had bought another one somewhere down the line, that will be going in my giveaway. All right, so that one is, let's see how long it is. Probably as long as this pink one here. Let's see. So that's a 12 inch let's make sure it is. Yes, that's 12 inches long, add a quarter. Hold it up here. So that's a 12 inch ruler. So I'll be giving the yellow one away in the giveaway. And I will teach you, if you would like, how to paper piece. I'll just make up a square and then I'll show you how to do that. Okay? All right. Bye-bye.